Mark. You look frustrated.
Yeah, I am.
What happened?
I had to make a phone call today.
Oh, and?
It was terrible.
Really?
Yeah, I couldn't understand anything.
That's very common.
The voice was not clear,
Oh no,
and I didn't know what to say.
that's stressful.
Very stressful.
Okay, let's stop right here. Imagine you are Mark. You call someone. What do you say first?
I don't know.
That's normal. So here's the key. Keep it simple.
Okay.
Just say this. Hello, this is Mark.
Oh, hello, this is Mark.
Perfect. Very natural. Now add one more sentence. I'm calling about.
Oh, I'm calling about.
Perfect. Now combine it.
Okay. Hello, this is Mark. I'm calling about my order.
Excellent. That is exactly what you should say. Now let's go back to your situation. You call someone. What do you say?
Hello, this is Mark. I'm calling about my order.
Perfect. That is real life English. Now another situation.
Okay.
You receive a call.
Oh.
What do you say? You say this. Hello?
Oh, hello?
Perfect. Very simple. Or more polite. Hello, this is Mark.
Oh, hello, this is Mark.
Perfect. Full situation.
Okay. Hello, this is Mark.
Hi, Mark.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. But let's continue your call.
Okay.
The other person starts talking,
Yes.
but you can't hear clearly.
Oh no.
What happened?
The sound was bad.
That's very common.
Yeah, I didn't understand anything.
So what do? You say this. Sorry, I can't hear you clearly.
Oh, sorry, I can't hear you clearly.
Perfect. Very important sentence. Or, the line is not clear.
Oh, the line is not clear.
Perfect. Now let's continue.
Okay.
You still don't understand.
Yes.
So you ask again.
Okay.
Say this. Can you repeat that?
Oh, can you repeat that?
Perfect. Very natural. Or more polite. Could you repeat that, please?
Oh, could you repeat that, please? Perfect.
Now let's make it more real.
Okay.
The other person speaks too fast.
That happens a lot.
So what do you say?
You say this. Could you speak more slowly? Oh, could you speak more slowly? Perfect. Very useful. Now let's add another situation. Okay. You want to confirm information. Yes. So you say this. Let me check. Oh, let me check. Perfect. Or more clearly, just to confirm. Oh, just to confirm. Perfect. Full situation. Okay. Hello, this is Mark. I'm calling about my order. Yes? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Let me speak louder. Thank you. Could you repeat that, please? Sure. Could you speak more slowly? Okay. Just to confirm, my order is ready? Yes. Oh, okay. Perfect. That is real life English. Now, Mark, let's continue. Okay. You call someone. Yes. But it's the wrong person. Oh no. What do you say? You say this. Sorry, I think I have the wrong number. Oh, sorry, I think I have the wrong number. Perfect. Very useful. Full situation. Okay. Hello, this is Mark. Hello? Oh, sorry, I think I have the wrong number. That's okay. Oh, perfect. Now let's continue. Okay. You call someone. Yes, but no one answers. Oh, so what happens? You leave a message. Oh, say this. Hi, this is Mark. Please call me back. Oh, hi, this is Mark. Please call me back. Perfect. Very common. Now let's make it more real. Okay. You want to give more detail. Yes. So you say this. I'm calling about. Oh, I'm calling about my order. Perfect. Full message. Okay. Hi, this is Mark. I'm calling about my order. Please call me back. Perfect. That sounds very natural. Now let's add another situation. Okay. Someone calls you. Yes, but you are busy. Oh, so what do you say? You say this. Can I call you back later? Oh, can I call you back later? Perfect. Very useful. Or, I'm busy right now. Oh, I'm busy right now. Perfect. Now let's combine everything. Okay. Real phone situation. All right. Hello, this is Mark. Hi. Oh, sorry, I think I have the wrong number. Okay. Calls again. Hi, this is Mark. I'm calling about my order. No answer. Hi, this is Mark. I'm calling about my order. Please call me back. Later calls back. Hi, Mark. Hi, I'm busy right now. Can I call you back later? Sure. Oh, okay. Perfect. That is real life English. Yeah, this feels very real. Good. That's the goal. Now, Mark, let's continue. Okay. You are on a call, yes, and you don't understand one detail. Oh. So what do you say? You say this. What do you mean? Oh, what do you mean? Perfect. Very useful. Now let's make it more polite. Okay. You say this. Sorry, what do you mean? Oh, sorry, what do you mean? Perfect. Sounds better on the phone. Now another situation. Okay. You want to check a number. Oh, so you say this. Can you say that number again? Oh. Can you say that number again? Perfect. Or, can you spell that? Oh. Can you spell that? Perfect. Now let's add a real problem. Okay. You didn't hear correctly. Yes, so you say this. Let me repeat that. Oh. Let me repeat that. Perfect. Full example. Okay. Let me repeat that. 521. Yes, that's correct. Oh, okay. Now let's continue. Okay. You want to hold the call. Oh. So you say this. Can you hold on a moment? Oh. Can you hold on a moment? Perfect. Very common on the phone. Now the opposite situation. Okay. The other person asks you to wait. Yes. So you respond. Sure, no problem. Oh. Sure, no problem. Perfect. Now let's move toward ending the call. Okay. You want to finish politely. Yes. So you say this. Thank you for your help. Oh. Thank you for your help. Perfect. Now make it smoother. Okay. Add this. Talk to you soon. Oh. Talk to you soon. Perfect. Very natural ending. Now full real life situation. Okay. Hello, this is Mark. I'm calling about my order. Yes? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Your order is ready. Oh, sorry, what do you mean? It's ready for pickup. Oh, okay. Can you say that number again? 521. Let me repeat that. 521. Yes. Can you hold on a moment? Sure. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Talk to you soon. Perfect. Now, Mark, how do you feel? Honestly, much more confident. Why? Because now I know how to speak on the phone. Exactly. Before, I felt nervous and confused. And now? Now I can understand, ask again, and finish the call politely. That's the key. You don't need perfect English. You need simple, clear sentences. Yeah, that really helps. Exactly. So tell me, what do you say first? Easy. Hello, this is Mark. Good. If you don't understand? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Perfect. And how do you end the call? Thank you for your help. Excellent. That is real life English. Yeah, I feel ready now. Good. Keep practicing every day. I will. And you will improve step by step. Thank you, Anna. You're welcome.